I've just managed to get the new iPhone SE, and in this video I'll be unboxing it. I know I'm a little late to unboxing this, but I thought I might as well do it for those people who want a quick unboxing. I got a red 64GB iPhone SE 2nd generation. Let's just start opening it. Personally, I would prefer an iPhone 11, but you have to be prepared to pay more for it. So they've got the regular peel tabs, which they have on all their new devices. Since this is the red model, as soon as you open up the information, it has the product red symbol here, which tells you a bit more information about it. Got the regular stuff, SIM card pin, and the obvious Apple stickers. And here is the iPhone SE. Let's just put that on the side and finish with the box. We get the traditional iPhone earphones, which plug in with a lightning adapter, since they got rid of the headphone jack on the iPhone 7. The regular lightning charger with a 5-watt power brick. And now for the iPhone. It's got a glass back and aluminium design. And it has the same body as an iPhone 7 and 8, but still has this chip of an iPhone 11 Pro, the A13. Power it on. Here's the phone completed once it's been set up. As you can see, they use the default home screen, and it also has all the default apps. I currently have an iPhone 7, and this is almost identical to it. However, I would prefer if it did have Face ID as well as Touch ID. I don't know why they haven't thought about this yet. Maybe because this is meant to be a budget phone, and they just don't want to spend too much money on adding Face ID. Overall, a great phone for the price. Yes, I would prefer an iPhone 11, but for the price, I would rather get this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like and subscribe.